Hello guys, this video show you how to install the template from template store. Now on your UChat dashboard, go to template store and then search simple e-commerce. Now you can see that there are 4 templates. If you are using Facebook channel, Telegram, WhatsApp and Google My Business channel, please install the Facebook Messenger one. Click on install template. If you are using Instagram, Line or Viber, please install these 3 accordingly. Now let me take the Facebook one as an example. Now click on install templates and then click on next step. Remember, in step 2 we have already connected to the channel and create a blank chatbot. Now click on the blank chatbot that you created in step 2, and then the template content will be added to this blank flow. Click on install now and open the box. In the main flow we don't have anything, but when you go to flows you can see that everything is included in this folder. Click on the folder and click on the subflow. You will be able to see the contents inside the whole template. Now click on edit flow. Let's have a look at it. First of all, the flow print hello, the name of the user, then welcome, and the template will display everything in your e-commerce system, all the products which are available, and there will be an add to cart button attached to each product. Now when user click on add to cart, the system will add the product to the cart and then show a message which product is added to the cart. And now when user click on view cart button, the system will go to the cart and display everything in the cart. And also there will be a summary about the cart information, like total item, how many items are there, and total price, the total price of the cart. And there will be a checkout button available. When user click on the checkout button, the chatbot will jump to a checkout page, and then after the user do the payment, the chatbot can receive the message and then go to the next step to print this thank you for your payment. Alright, now let's test it. Go to flows and then root folders. Let's click on the main flow and right click to create a go-to step. Choose subflow or step and select simple e-commerce, and then click on the circle, drag to the go-to and release it. Hit publish, and if your channel has a preview feature, has a preview button right here, click on the preview and use your phone camera to scan this QR code, and you will be redirected to the phone application to start a conversation with the chatbot. And for those channels which don't have a preview feature, let me quickly show you how to start a conversation with the chatbot. So Facebook channel has preview, and Instagram, click on this link to jump to the page, follow the account and click on message. Send anything to start a conversation with the chatbot. And for Telegram has preview, WhatsApp has preview. For SMS, let me switch. For SMS, send anything to this phone number. For voice channel, call this phone number directly. For Google channel, click on this button and use your phone camera again to scan the QR code to start a conversation. And Line and Viber, they both have preview feature. Okay, now let's go back to our chatbot. So since Facebook has preview feature, we can just click on preview and open this flow in Messenger. Now click on the Get Started button to start a conversation with the chatbot. Now the chatbot says, hello Joyce, welcome, and there are 3 products: burger, Coke and pizza. Now when I click add to cart, 1 burger added to cart. Let me add also 1 Coke. Okay, 1 Coke added to cart. Now let's click on view cart. I can see that there is 1 Coke and 1 burger in my cart, and total item 2, total price $15. Now when I click on checkout, so this is the product information, and I need to fill in my email address, for example, and the phone number, and then give some notes if you need to, and you can select pickup or delivery, and that's select pickup for now. The address of your store will be displayed here, coupon if there's any, and then total item, total price, cash on pickup. Since we haven't connected the Stripe account or any other payment method, so there is only one available, cash on pickup. Now click on place order for $15. Okay, the payment successful. So I have already received a message from the chatbot. One of them is the order confirmation. Click on that and you will see your order confirmation, the time, the payment method, and the subtotal, everything. And also, thank you for your payment. This message is also triggered. Alright, this is how you install the template and use it in your chatbot. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.